Email images not showing on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, head over to your settings, go to apps, find Gmail, go to permissions, make sure you have allowed media permissions. Then next, go to storage, then tap and clear cache. The other step is go to Play Store, then search for Gmail and then update it if there is an update button. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.